Hello. So this is how you can install custom skins on a Mac or any other computer when they've already been transferred out of the Wixie format. This is really easy and self-explanatory. Basically, you go to find the skin that you want to download. This will be Mercenary Vein by Yoru. You download it. It already has the instructions here, but maybe someone will find this useful. Okay, looks like it downloaded. So now we're going to go to our downloads. This is the file that we want. I'm going to copy it, applications, go into our league folder, LOL, RADS, solutions, LOL game client SLN, releases, and the most recent release. Then we go to deploy. We're going to make this, move it to here, and then we're going to create a new text document. So we're going to save this onto the desktop for now. Actually, we'll just put it in downloads. We're going to name it ClientZips. And we're going to type in what we see here. Then we're going to hit enter after. The enter is very important, otherwise you'll get an error. Save this. And move this in here. Now, this will match up with the name of this, and then you just launch and load League of Legends like normal, and it should work absolutely fine. Alright.